A. A is apple. Say with me. A. A is apple. B. B is bear. Say with me. B. B is bear. C. C is cat. Say with me. C. C is cat. D. D is dolphin. Say with me. D. D is dolphin. E. E is elephant. Say with me. E. E is elephant. F. F is fox. Say with me. F. F is fox. G. G is giraffe. Say with me. G. G is giraffe. H. H for horse. Say with me. H. H is horse. I. I is ice cream. Say with me. I is ice cream. J. J is jellyfish. Say with me. J. J is jellyfish. K. K is kangaroo. Say with me. K. K is kangaroo. L. L is lion. Say with me. L. L is lion. M. M is monkey. Say with me. M. M is monkey. N. N is nest. Say with me. N. N is nest. O. O is octopus. Say with me. O. O is octopus. P. P is panda. Say with me. P. P is panda. Q. Q is quail. Say with me. Q. Q is quail. R. R is rocket. Say with me. R. R is rocket. S. S is shark. Say with me. S. S is shark. T. T is tiger. Say with me. T. T is tiger. U. U is umbrella. Say with me. U. U is umbrella. B. B is violin. Say with me. B. B is violin. W. W is wolf. Say with me. W. W is wolf. X. X is xylophone. Say with me. X. X is xylophone. Y. Y is yak. Say with me. Y. Y is yak. G. G is zebra. Say with me. G. G is zebra. Thank you kids. Subscribe for more video.